Y'all can see that. I'm taking this on the beginning of the but it's not much, but I get excited. It's coming down a little bit harder now. Just a little bit. But I'm going to tag this on the front of it. All right, we're getting a little snow this morning. It's not very much, but it's well, here, it's beginning to pick up. If y'all can see that. Oh. And here it is, the last day of November. Today's November the 30th. And it is a snowing. Not much, but it's a snowing. I get excited when it snows. But I get so excited. It's beginning to come down a little harder. I wish the flakes would get a little bit bigger. Down in yonder, y'all can see that. I've got the computer going on in there. Alright, if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank y'all so much for watching. It's winter time, y'all.